All right, this is the third product that I have tried out from WORKPRO, and I have to say that I'm quite impressed with the quality and the durability of their products. Today we're checking out the Hog Ring Pliers, which is made of a hardened steel. The rings that come with it, which are about 500 in total, are a galvanized steel. Quite easy to use. It's easy enough to open up with one hand here. The rubber grip feels really nicely. You have dedicated grooves, as you can see right here, which the ring just sits in like so. And then not too much effort needed to squeeze. And once you squeeze to clamp it, you're all set. So if you're in the market for these, this really will make your project go much quicker. I mean, just look how quickly you can lock and load, if you will, some of these rings. Again, 500 of them that it comes with, which should be more than enough for your project, whether you're building a fence or mending something, or just want to clamp something. Maybe you're attaching some hose lines or some conduit to something. This would definitely make for light work. Here is the resettable spring that helps provide the tension to keep it clamped down. So again, while you're squeezing to close the rings, you're getting a little bit extra tension to help you with that, which makes it a little bit easier. So give the WORKPRO Hog Pliers a shot, and I really don't think that you'll be disappointed.